This is disgusting. I see pieces of the
chicken.
I see the lettuce.
Mm-hmm.
Ew. I knew, bro. You guys, we need to stop eating Chipotle.
We need to stop eating Chipotle. Well, see, I don't know if I can say that.
Hey world.
Hey y'all.
What y'all doing? What y'all doing? There's a 3-step process of how to make
chai iced tea and green matcha tea,
which is my favorite.
Matcha tea.
Iced green matcha tea. Iced tea. Green tea latte.
Iced tea green tea latte.
AKA matcha. So basically it's a 3-step easy process.
Yeah.
Like literally it will save you so much money. Stop going to these cafes and buying $6 drinks when you can make this shit literally
at home
for $6. Like milk, matcha, what other ingredient?
Milk,
sweetener,
matcha, and ice.
And
come on now. Come on.
Y'all not paying for ice? You guys can get these brands from anywhere. Honestly, what I will be using for my green tea, I'm gonna substitute this. This is what I'm gonna be using. This is Mahalat's. This is what she's gonna be using for her chai tea latte. And you're gonna basically, this is obviously the powders and stuff. So we have our almond milk and I have my lactose. Well, this is dairy, but this is lactose free. So, and some sharani. I would recommend you guys just making the liquid sugar yourself, but we're lazy, so we just bought the French vanilla. First step. I think I'm gonna do a little bit of
organic
milk, a little bit of almond milk. So I got this from my local, what is it? From
Fuban.
It's just like any ethnic Asian market. Literally, it says green tea latte. So 1 packet will do. I like adding more than 1 packet because I want my shit. Yeah, it's literally so easy.
Oh my god.
Obviously, I need way more milk.
It smells so good. I can smell all the way from over here.
I'm like addicted to matcha. Literally, I drink like 3 to 5 jars of this.
Yeah, bro.
And it's an aesthetic with the mason jar, you know what I mean? And then, gonna add a little bit of
sweetener.
Okay, and then I'm gonna put the lid, and then obviously shake that shit up because the powder is gonna be at the very bottom, and you obviously don't want that. You hear that?
Yes.
And then now taste tester. Fucking think.
Hey.
But I'm gonna add in my ice. Okay, so I obviously put some ice in it. This is a very small portion because this is just 1 packet. I don't want to add too much milk in it because it's just gonna be too milky and you're not gonna get the actual matcha taste. Okay. This shit is dank.
Hey.
Try this. Try this. Literally, a matcha drink. 3 easy process. 3 steps process. It's dank. And I barely added any sweetener to it. Basically, the packet itself has enough. If you guys want to add more, like I said, because this is really huge. So if you guys want to add more, because this is probably like a one size. Yeah. Right? So like 2 packets will be up to here. But yeah, guys, 3-step process. Literally, milk, powder, sweetener, and you just got yourself a $6 drink from Starbucks. Alrighty, let's do yours in the thing. Oh, I'm making a cooking show.
So I have done this about a total of 3 times.
Which one was the best?
First, obviously, we're gonna start off with some milk. I also like to mix my milk a little bit. So we're gonna do the almond milk first.
Oh, that's how you know we love almond milk.
Okay, then I'm gonna take the Tezo Classic Chai Latte. Boom, boom.
Sweeter's always good.
It's not about to get me, not today.
No, ma'am.
About a shot. Just like so. You wanna mix
Do that reaction again.
It tastes like fall.
Whoa, this is good.
Okay?
No, like.
Why would you be dead? Let's see if I hear it.
Hey. Oppa.
Oppa. Mamma mia.
Dang, huh?
Okay,
and
can I add a little something?
Girl, you was looking for the cinnamon? No, guys, even with the matcha, you gotta add in a little. If you like that cinnamon taste, I just like adding extra shit.
You know, I'm a little bougie with it, so like I don't want to mix the cinnamon. I just want it to sit at the top like that.
Oh, you better than me. Oh,
tap it on the booty.
The sound. Bro,
this shit is dank. The cinnamon challenge.
You wanna do that?
No.
I hate to say it, I think I like yours better. Even though you guys, I love matcha ice cream.
Oh my god.
Right. Yes, ma'am. No, you're right, actually.
Yeah, you're not gonna kill me today.
Hold on. Okay. That's cool. Ain't nothing coming out.
Bella so.
Cheers to boredom.
Cheers to boredom. It's not cool.
Oh my god, this is disgusting. But it's not as unbearable as people made it seem. You gotta swallow it? Because I can't, it's burning my tongue. Spit it out.
I swallowed it!
It burns? I'm so sorry.
That was terrible, bro.
Yeah, I wish we had mixed meats. I would do that.
Are you crazy?
What else we got in this bitch? Just to make this even more fun, each person can pick one random thing. I'm only doing one round of this, sorry. Tabasco? Okay. Good old mayonnaise. You know what? I'm gonna do you one better. We're gonna do ranch, but Winko ranch. So it's a little. This is real love.
This is real love, guys.
Don't forget. When you're swallowing this shit down here.
That's alright. Bro, I wish we just chose for our damn self.
I'd rather have the Tabasco though.
I know.
You see? Can I help you?
I don't want to do this. I don't want to do this.
Click, bitch.
Click, click, go.
No. No, dead ass. I have real tears in my eyes. Never again. Never again. I knew something was wrong. You guys, I cannot make this shit up. I literally just threw up. I'm not recording that. That's nasty. That's so disgusting. That's not even my character. I know we should have never done this. Why you let me do dumb shit like this? Cuz, you good?
Yeah, I'm alright.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh.
Wow, I'm sorry. I should have just stuck with the fucking tutorial.
Like, what the fuck?
No, ma'am.
We need to decompress, reevaluate.
What just went on? No, ma'am. Oh my god. This is disgusting. I know I see pieces of the
chicken.
I see the lettuce.
Mm-hmm.
Ew. I knew, bro. You guys, we need to stop eating Chipotle.
We need to stop eating Chipotle. Well, see, I don't know if I can say that.
Oh my god, that was not good. That's not right. I don't even want the matcha drink no more. It's only our 15th video. This shit is supposed to happen later. Cheers to making, I hope you guys enjoyed our process of making a matcha and chai drink.
Cheers to making it.
Oh, the milk is kind of cooling it.
Mm-hmm.
My lip is still burning, bro.
I'm having a weird effect because I think the dairy from the
ranch and dairy is not good. Like, I'm actually, this is like, what, 2 hours later we're making this outro?
Yeah.
Wow.
We definitely had to take a moment.
Don't do this, guys. It was the Tabasco. Now I know. It was definitely the Chipotle. This is good. Never again. Never again. Maybe next time it'll be things like something else.
Well, if you're not gonna share this, don't even watch anymore.
You're not gonna like this. Don't even watch anymore. Hey, we did that though. We did that. We handled that like champs. Yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed the matcha and the chai. Yes. Guys, it's really dank drinks. Like, if you guys like that, I would definitely recommend that. But, the rest of the video. So yeah. Come on, yeah. Yeah, guys, thank you so much guys. We're almost at like what, 90 subscribers. Yeah. Let's make it 200. Let's make it to 100. Come on now. All it takes is, come on now. All it takes is just a little tap. Like, building your channel is very hard. So we really appreciate all of our friends and family who like support us. Oh my gosh, like when you guys repost us and all that, like it actually genuinely makes me happy because it's like that's so sweet. Thank you. So like we said, you know, support your friends, support your family, support all that. Support black businesses and black YouTubers and black clothing stores, black artists, all of that. Do that because they're trying to kill us. You be seeing what the shit. Yeah, y'all. Every time I see justice for blank blank, it actually makes me like, it's like rage that they're killing us. It's because we're fucking amazing and we have all this talent and beauty and we're treasured people and they're trying to take us down, but you will not win. No, you guys will not win because no. So we're gonna continue to be great, continue to support each other and love each other and spread that positivity. Well, today was a lot, but yes, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, just throwing that. But yeah, hope everyone has a good night. Yes, we love you and thank you so much. Thank you for watching, supporting Zuretgirls, Opa, and Cool. All right.